Want to use focus modes on your iPhone? Here's how to use focus modes. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, you'll see several focus options like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, and Work. You can tap any of these to customize them, or tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new focus mode. Once you choose one, you can set Allowed Notifications. Choose which people or apps can reach you. Focus filters. Control what's shown in apps like Messages, Mail, or Calendar. Schedule or automation. Set it to turn on automatically at certain times or locations. After you finish setting it up, you can quickly turn on a focus mode from Control Center. Just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, tap Focus, and select the one you want. And that's it! You've now learned how to use focus modes on your iPhone to minimize distractions and stay productive. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips.